Go to File, Examples, MYOSA, Experiments, Master Code. It will open a new window with master code. Then go to Select Board. Then select your MYOSA COM port. Then go to Search Board text box. Type in ESP32 module. Select ESP32 module from below. Then click OK. Then go to Tools, Partition Scheme. Select No OTA, 2 MB app to MB SPIFs. Then click Upload. Program will compile first. It may take some time. Then it will start uploading the code. Once uploaded, the program will start running. And you will see the data of different sensors on OLED.